My name is Sydni Breslin. I'm a hairstylist from Peoria, Arizona, and have been doing hair since 2013. Before starting, I'm going to spray her hair down with PRAVANA's Purify and Revive Prime Spray, which demineralizes the hair by attaching to hard water and metals using lactic acid to condition the hair before we do any service. Alright, so as you can see, we've been letting the back process for 10 minutes so that way it can darken. And then I'm going to take that formula that I used on the back of her head and I'm going to apply it as a shadow root and then pull through the lighter formula through the ends. And you can pause. So we've been processing for the full 20 minutes. I just wanted to give you an idea what this would look like prior to rinsing. Don't get nervous when it looks super dark, okay? You want to let it go the whole processing time. That way you can really get that contrast. You can see how brunette this looks compared to these blonde pieces through here. And the only difference in this sectioning is that we've used clear. Thank you guys so much for joining me today to show you this new look. I hope you've learned a lot. Make sure to follow PRAVANA on all social media as well as myself on Instagram at Sydni Mamas. Have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.